How old are you?
6.
Show me. Show the camera.
Show the camera what tooth's about to come out.
Which tooth is coming out? Like this. Look at that big old tooth waiting to come out. Ooh, that didn't hurt.
Oh.
Oh, ready?
Yeah.
Step 1.
Step 1. You tie the string. And Dr. Mom. Oh, okay. About to be point of no return. You ready? Oh.
And the string is on. You ready to pull it out yourself?
You do it, Mom.
You do it.
No, you do it.
You do it.
You want me to do it? Yeah! Is that easy? Is that easy that was?
Yeah.
Here, come on, let's go to the bathroom.
Oh, you look weird, bro.